Business Station have a new website, so if you're looking to book my help, whether it's advisory or whether it's workshops, on the homepage there's various ways of finding me, but the quickest one is to go to the search bar at the very top, type in my name, hit enter or the search icon, and it should return anything that I'm involved with. So you can see all my workshops here. If you go to my profile, which is this first listing, you'll see how to book with me. So there's a Contact Joe button, there's all my social media links. Book Joe through ASBAS, meaning you can book a one-on-one through with me, or you can find events that I have upcoming. So if you go down to the very bottom, you will also see my next event. So this is today's event, LinkedIn Profile Building. This is a blog that I published, 21 steps to your professional LinkedIn presence for 2020, which may be useful if you're building your profile. So if we go back up here and go to find events, this is going to list all my upcoming events. And we've got LinkedIn Profile Building, of course, that's today. We've got my content marketing workshops on the 12th, LinkedIn marketing content. So this is a content strategy session, so planning what kind of content you could share. This is actually how to write it and publish it on LinkedIn. So the two kind of work well together. Then we've got email marketing on the 26th of August, creating a business page, your company presence on LinkedIn on the 2nd of September, another profile building workshop on September the 9th, and then my next networking and lead generation workshop is September 23. And that's where we go through how to search, how to connect, and how to build relationships. Content marketing, again, on the 14th of October. And then the publishing on LinkedIn, like I said, those two go together on October 21st. Email marketing again, LinkedIn for your page, another networking event, and profile building and content. So I've got quite a few workshops I repeat. So if one of the days doesn't work, look for a future date. They tend to be on a Wednesday morning from 9:30 to 11:30, and these ones are all online. From time to time and with demand, I can do them in person, but once Business Station allow that to happen. We need 8 people for a workshop to run. So if you've got a group of people that want some hands-on training, get in touch with us and we can put together a workshop for your audience, but in person if you've got somewhere to host the workshop. So that was the events. And you can also see, if you go to the events tab, you can find workshops that way. So if you want to book a one-on-one with me, you can have up to 2 hours of advisory per month across the program. So whether you choose to take those 2 hours with me or whether you choose to split it across the program. But if you want to book a session, you click on Book Joe. It will open up a new tab and over here, and you'll sign up for the program that way and proceed to book. So that's how you work with me. You can book me individually, you can book me through a workshop, and you can read my blogs that are published on Business Station as well. But I highly recommend that you also connect to me on social media, so feel free to use these links to follow me across the web. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to helping you in the future.